Yo, what is up guys, Yuka here, welcome back to another video. Today guys, we're going to analyze what we did in the Nasdaq and on the S&P 500 today, day trading. We lost $281 today, day trading, but yeah, let's go to the daily bias. So we have market opening, we have this 4-hour fair value gap on the S&P 500. In the Nasdaq, we have this 4-hour fair value gap, this 4-hour fair value gap as well. Price looks super overextended, so for me, we really want to see at least some kind of retracement to the downside. We go to the 1 hour on both of them, and yeah, the only thing, let's go to 1 hour draws on liquidity. We have this 1 hour lows on our lows, and these 1 hour highs, and these 1 hour highs right here. So we go to the Nasdaq, and Nasdaq actually look better for me to trade. We have 1 hour lows, just like before, but then we have here a hour low. So move down and move up, that's our low. We have a move up and move down and move up again, so our low. So we have, you know, all these high time frame, low resistance liquidity. So my bias for today is really, you know, we want to go lower because we want to take all these three very low resistance liquidity. On S&P 500, however, we did sweep out some of that liquidity, creating a bullish SMT on the 5 minutes, and not on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq we create a bullish SMT. As well, a bullish SMT as well. So if we wanted to make a bullish trade, we'll go to the S&P 500. However, in my mind, I was like, okay, we do create a bullish SMT, yes. We do sweep out everything here, yes. But on Nasdaq, we really have strong draws. Like we have these 5 minute equal lows, we have these hourly equal lows, these hourly lows, these hourly lows, these hourly lows, these hourly lows. So very strong draw on liquidity for me. And then, you know, for me to the upside, the only thing we had was like these draws, and then these draws up here, and I'm like, damn, like this is way too far ahead. Like when we have like all these draws on liquidity like super close, we're not going to go all the way up here to get the liquidity up here, you know. That was really my thought, you know, like we are so close of these draws on liquidity, we almost sweep them out as well, you know. We create 5 minutes relative equal lows, you know, so market for sure we want to sweep out these lows. That was really my thinking. What happened? So we get, you know, we have news at 10, so we need to wait a little bit. But yeah, we go to this, we are in 1 minute because our bias is so strong. We are in 1 minute. We price retraces into this fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap, after making this move down and created this relative equal lows and everything. We wait for a minute break of structure. We got break of structure right here. We enter on that, stop loss above these highs, and price moves up and then stops us out. It's okay. You know, what could have done better? Maybe waited for a stronger break of structure, you know, because it's a small break of structure. But, you know, it's my rules, so I enter a break of structure. It is a break of structure, reaction or fair value gap. That's basically it. On the S&P 500, it was actually looking better because we have the 1 minute order block, 1 minute breaker block. But again, you know, just really that was really nothing there to enter, and yeah, prices move higher. What could have done better? Really, you know, like the only thing I had was like this bullish SMT, but for me this bullish SMT was like strength for the price to go higher into our confluence area, like order block and breaker block, and then to move lower. But yeah, really the only thing I could have done better was just seeing that, okay, S&P 500 swept out these lows, so we do not want to go low, we want to go higher, and then the SMT as well, and enter on that, and that should probably be the trade. And then enter on this 5 minutes fair value gap. Can you expect that? So yeah, that was basically it, you know, for the trade today. TGR also lost as well. He made a similar trade to me. So yeah, you know, again, my bias was just so strong to the downside. It was what I wanted to happen. But yeah, again, you know, like we also had the 5 minute SMT, which I should have seen, and you know, I saw it, but you know, I thought it was like going to give us straight to the upside to then move lower, but that was not what happened. So yeah, you know, not a bad day today, you know. Again, follow my rules, but yeah, you know, just maybe should have seen the SMT happening, and I saw the SMT happening, but yeah, should have seen like, yeah, these diversions you guys can see now. But other than that, you know, really like bias was strong to the downside. I wanted these lows to get taken out. To the upside, there wasn't really a reason to move. That's why I made the trade bearish. But you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave some comments, and that's basically it. I'm not going to steal much more time for you. So yeah, thank you guys.